Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a 2016-2017 Transit with a 3.2 diesel in it, and we're going to be replacing the fuel filter, and it's a little tricky. It's kind of hard to turn, and we're only going, there is a little lock symbol and an unlock symbol and an arrow right where my finger is, and we need to loosen it so that the arrow meets with the unlock little logo so that we can drop the cap. I've already gone ahead and drained the bowl as much as I could. I've taken off my water and fuel sensor electrical connector and the little Christmas tree clip that holds it in, and I'm going to show you guys what we need to do to remove the cap. Alright, here's those arrows I was talking to you about. So we got the lock and the unlock, and we have to take the arrows and move it to the unlock so that we can drop the cap down. Alright, so what I'm going to use is a nylon, vinyl, not vinyl, but you know, like seatbelt material looking stuff, a little more rugged. And I'm going to slip that over. This metal piece has a 1/2-inch drive and a 3/8 drive, and we're going to be using the 3/8 drive, and we're going to go ahead and loosen it just like this. Go ahead. Alright. So we are completely loose. That crack you heard was one of these, if you guys can see one of these little plastic things broke off one of the little tabs, not tabs, but the little fins. I don't think there's any way around it not doing that. So now that we got the arrows met to the unlock position, now we have to get messy, and we're going to pull the cap down. Okay, just gonna wiggle this out. You guys can see that O-ring. Man, it's tough. Whew. Oh. Oh. All right. I felt minimal fuel splash me, so that's good. That is tough to get out. It is no joke. You really got to pull on that guy. So we're going to go over to the bench, and I'm going to show you how now you got to take the filter out of the cap. Alright, so now you can see the arrow on the fuel filter and aligning with the cap. And you can see we kind of have to twist the filter out. See if we can do it without getting too contaminated here. Alright, hold on, let me get a better angle here. Alright, if you notice, there's a little foot right there. Kind of hard plastic to spring. So we're going to spring that up, and the filter pretty much comes right out the arrows and the arrow. So we're going to take our filter and dispose of that to proper accordance with applicable laws. Alright, we got our new filter. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the alignment. We got the arrows and the arrow. I'm going to set, I'm stuck. Set that guy on here. Gotta get it just right. And we're just gonna slide her into place. It's all down around. And make our final twist. Boom. Fuel filter installed. These two are new. It came on the filter, these O-rings. Now the last part, we gotta remove this O-ring. Okay, it came with that in the bag. We got some diesel fuel on there. Gonna lube up that O-ring. and we're gonna go back over to the vehicle. Alright. So we got our arrow and our arrow. We're gonna have to put it in as hard as we can. Okay, now we gotta turn it. Now I'm gonna tighten it. You guys can see the arrows right underneath me. I gotta keep going to right here. Now it locked. It just went into a little detent. Okay, so you guys can see inclusion. Got the arrows lined up. Then we have to come back down here and make sure our trim clip is in. We're going to install our width connector. Make sure our drain's closed. And lastly, we're going to give it a little shot of brake clean. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. Your 2016 through 2018 Transit 3.2 Puma diesel fuel filter replacement. And as always, thanks for watching guys.